In this video, I'll be showing you 3 things that can make your Chrome browser faster and even more secure. But we just need to copy these words or this link. First is the Chrome settings/system. Here you have to toggle on this use graphics acceleration when available. If you want to browse more faster and also more better for the RAM, you can turn this on since this will be using the GPU instead the CPU of your computer. Next is the Chrome settings cookies. If you want to be more secure in your browsing, you just need to block the third-party cookies that the other sites are automatically using. And lastly is the Chrome extensions. You can find all the extensions downloaded or installed into your Chrome, and you can delete them or remove them if you want to remove the unnecessary storage that they are taking. And that's it. That's how you can make your Chrome browser faster and better. And thank you for listening.